Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change personal account to business account. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, make sure you have the internet connection. After that, you can open your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you can tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap on your name or profile. Now once you are here, you can simply tap on these three dots here. And if you scroll down, you will see here turn on professional mode or business account or business mode. Just simply tap on it. Tap on this turn on. So if you don't have option switch to business account right here like mine, then you can go back and you can open up your settings. Scroll down, tap on this settings and privacy and simply tap on this settings. And here you need to find the professional mode. We can also tap on this search in the top right and search for professional mode. Once you tap on turn on professional mode, then if you want to turn it on, you can just simply go with continue, which will be on the bottom of your screen, or you can go to turn on, and after tapping on turn on, your professional mode will be turned on. And after turning professional mode, you can have this kind of professional dashboard on your profile, and here you will see your professional mode, your professional dashboard as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to change personal account to business account on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.